Hello, welcome back to another video by Grove Models. I want to extend a big thank you to the lovely people at Model Shack. They have kindly offered us a 10% discount, which I will share with you. This can be used on their main shop online. Keep watching to see how to get 10% off your next order. Part 3 of this gorgeous model by Sanix. This part took a while to finish, but the result looks good. I primed the parts with Chaos Black Spray. I start with dark magenta for the base coat of the skin tones. This was sprayed evenly and only onto the flesh areas. I will be painting both the Horus Guards at the same time. White ink from Vallejo was used as a slight zenithal highlight. The next model I will be building and painting will be Jareth from Labyrinth. Make sure you don't miss out by subscribing. For the base coat, I used Monument Hobbies Advanced Flesh Tone. A gentle and light coat, not too heavy. Next, from Monument Hobbies, was the tan flesh, which was sprayed lightly. I wanted a darker tone for the skin, as these guards are in a desert setting on Abydos. Crusader skin from Army Painter was used next to add in some dark tone and shadow. I think Sanix should do Ra and 2 Anubis guards next in this same style. That would complement each other. AK matte varnish was then sprayed on the skin. This will protect the skin that's been painted as I handle the models and give it a more realistic look. Copper from Monument Hobbies was used for the base colour of the Jaffa's headdresses. Next was bronze from Monument Hobbies, which was sprayed only on specific areas of the helmets to add a little colour difference. In the film, the helmets seem to be different colours in certain areas and also colour change, like a pearlescent colour on top. Bronze from AK Verdigris set was used. This paint is quite thick, so a very light coat was used using my dry brush, but wetter than a normal dry brush. Oxidizing agent from the set was used next. I poured a little into a plastic mixing cup, neat from the bottle. Then, carefully using an old brush, I painted the agent onto the bronze. This will react and start the oxidation process. It doesn't take long for the agent to react, but I left it overnight for a better result. A liquid mask from Vallejo was used to mask off the thigh area on the male guard. Blue tack was used on the larger parts with a bit of card on all the pieces. Ivory from Monument Hobbies was used next to paint the clothing. I'm thinking of getting the Garleri Mobius airbrush. If you have one, let me know if they are any good. Bronze from the Verdigris effect set was used to paint the Martok staffs. The oxidation effect was then used again on the Martok staff weapons. Nuln oil from Citadel was painted all over the metal parts. Bronze from Monument Hobbies was used on the belts. And the shin armor. Agrak's Earthshade was used on the clothing to add shadows and a dirty, worn look. White gold from Monument Hobbies was painted onto the all-metal bandings and gauntlets. I used ivory from Monument Hobbies to paint the cloth on the sandals. Gunmetal from Vallejo was painted onto the inner part of the shin armor. Nuln oil shade from Citadel was used on all metal parts, even on the body bandings and staff weapons. Monument Hobbies copper was sprayed onto the tassels that go onto the helmets. Dark turquoise was next on the fabric parts. Dark plum was painted on the jewels of the tassels. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment. It's very much appreciated and will help the channel to grow. Silver was then painted on the metal parts of the other tassels. Again, I use Nuln oil to shade the metal parts, not the jewels or fabric parts. A quick coat of Ardcoat from Citadel was used to gloss the jewels and protect them. Now the best part, gluing the parts together and onto the base. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It was a fun paint up, although it did take a little longer than planned. Thank you to all the subscribers. Seeing new subscribers encourages me to make more videos and more models. To receive 10% off your order from Model Shack, please refer to the video description for details. Copy the link and you can use it on their website. I would highly recommend them. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment.